Hi guys, today we're gonna make carrot dog biscuits. These are the ingredients that we need. So we need 4 carrots, a grater, a half a cup of dog kibble, a baggie, something to hammer the dog kibble with, such as a mallet, a half a cup of applesauce, or 1 small applesauce, a half a cup of yogurt, any kind, 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We need a bowl, a small cookie cutter, a rolling pin, and a pan. And I prefer to use parchment paper. Pause. Step 1, we're gonna grate the carrots. I use a box grater because it's less messy, and everything goes straight into the bowl. Then we can just pour it into our mixing bowl. So we're gonna grate 4 of these. Okay, so that's roughly a carrot. Okay, after you grate your 4 carrots, it's time for step 2. And we're gonna put our half a cup of dog kibble in a baggie, and we're gonna take it outside and pound it into coarse flour with our mallet. Ready? Let's go. We're gonna set our kibble on the concrete, and we're gonna get our mallet, and we're just gonna pound it out. Until we get a coarse kibble, kind of like cookie crumbs. This is a fun part. All right, that's good. Okay, so now we're gonna put the 4 grated carrots in the bowl with the kibble and the applesauce. And the yogurt. We're gonna mix them together just until combined, which means that all the wet parts are mixed together with the dry parts. Next, we're gonna add 2 cups of flour. 1, 2, and a teaspoon of the baking powder. We're gonna mix that together. Until we're getting close to having a dough. This is kind of looking like a dough now. Where most of the dry is incorporated with the wet. So now I'm gonna put it on the counter. I'm gonna knead it. Kneading means you get it with your hands and you squish it together, kind of like Play-Doh. Dough. We're making doggy cookie dough. Okay, so now we're gonna roll our dough, just like when you're making cookies. Not for you. I'm gonna roll it out so that the cookie cutter is about the same height. Keep it all smooshed together so that we can get as many cookies out of this as we can. Then put some parchment paper on this pan and start placing your cookies in. Little stars. Any shape is good. This is just the smallest cookie cutter that I could find since I have small dogs. This recipe is supposed to make about 20 to 24 treats. Okay, so this is the last one of the pan. We're gonna put it in the oven. Now we're gonna bake those for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. We're gonna pull those out of the oven. We're gonna let them cool until we can touch the paper and put them on the counter. And then we can store them in an airtight container or a plastic bag for up to a week.